Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful, what I believe to be Valentine's Day when this comes out. And I hope you are able to have your special someone, your little Cupid, whether it be your boyfriend, husband, wife, significant other, best friend, whatever it is. I hope you have a wonderful and lovely Valentine's Day. And I'd like to welcome you and thank you for tuning into my channel today. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And today I have the Walmart Beauty Box. Now this is something that I have not had before. I know several of the channels have the Walmart Beauty Box. I just have not purchased it, and I don't know why, but this last time I seen it on several channels. I think Unboxing with Arlene, which she may have a new channel name now called Things All Arlene. So be sure and check that out if you haven't noticed that she has changed her name. And also Mary Catherine Loves Cats. I believe that she gets this box, and there are a few others that get the Walmart box. And in this last box it had, well, what I'm hoping that I get some of the same things. I think one of them, well, I don't know for sure. I just know that I liked what I seen in the last box that I seen, and it was this season. So I went ahead and subscribed. Now subscriptions are just $6.98, and so that's a very good reason, an enticing reason to join up for the Walmart Beauty Box because it's so inexpensive. And you get to try out some samples, and we're going to get in here and do that. But before we do, I want to do one more shout out, and that is for my good friend Wendy Jean. Unboxing with Wendy Jean has been a friend of mine since we started the channels almost together about 3 years ago. It might be a little over, well, it is over a little 3 years by now, but she hit 1K. Woo woo, so happy for you, Wendy. And Wendy needs watch time hours. So I just want to reach out to all of you. If you have not checked out Wendy's channel, go over and check it out. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to her. She shows all kinds of boxes. She shows different ones than I do. And I mean, we might have a couple that are the same, like FabFitFun and Goldie Boxed here and there, but she does a lot of other kinds of unboxings that you might be interested in. So be sure and go check her out. And she has playlists, and I have been helping her with her playlist, and I want to encourage each and every one of you to help her with her playlist. And there's one other I want to shout out, and that's Kim's Little of a Lot. I think I got that right. I'll have these channels down in my description. But Kim hit 1,000, I want to say a couple of months ago, and she needs watch time hours too. And if you haven't checked her out, be sure and go over and do so and help her out too. These are both wonderful ladies, and I know they will appreciate your time. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and play the playlist. You just don't know how much that is so appreciated. And we do have to have like 4,000 hours when we hit our 1K within a certain time frame or something. I don't understand it completely, but I do know you need your 4,000 hours. I don't know how many they have, but any that you can do will help them out. Now let's get on to the Walmart Beauty Box. Now the Walmart Beauty Box, I am not familiar with other than it's $6.98. It looks like it's the winter edit that I have here. And inside here, I'm assuming these are items that we can receive. And we're going to find out what I got. And it looks like there's one, if you don't see a product here, then they might throw in a surprise. So I'm toward the end of this, meaning that I'm toward the end of the season when I joined up. So I don't know if I'm going to get some of the things that the other ladies got or the thing that I was really interested in. But let's see what we have. We do have the featured product, which is the Daily Aveeno, a daily moisturizer body lotion. A full size would be $17.06, and we've got a sample size here. And if you don't know much about Aveeno products, they are great. And if you ever have like poison ivy or some other type of skin rash that's itchy or something, Aveeno makes like I think it's oatmeal colendol. I don't know exactly how to say it, but it is a little pack that you can take a bath in and soothe like itchy skin, and especially if you have poison ivy, which I've had before. And I try very hard not to get it. I'm very allergic to poison ivy. But anyways, this is a nice product, so I look forward to using that little sample. Let's see what else I have here. It looks like I got some Christian ESS Air Dry Cream. Now, I am not familiar what air dry cream is. Let's see if it has it on here. It says it's a weightless shine air day cream. So I'm going to assume this is for your hair, and it is a $10.98 value if you buy the full size. And of course, this is a sample size, so I'm able to try it out. It's probably sealed. Yes, it's sealed. I was going to see if I could kind of get a scent of it, but I have not tried this product. Have you heard of Kristen ESS? Sounds good. Y'all let me know what you think. The next item I have is in this little baggie. Now, isn't that nice that they put it in a baggie so that you don't get it all spilt everywhere? Or if it was to leak, it wouldn't leak everywhere. Maybe I should say it like that. But this here is a little bottle of Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. Oh, well, that's nice. I look forward to trying that out. So you can cleanse with that, apparently. And it removes makeup, it looks like. Let's see what it says on here. If we have it on here, it may be my mystery. Oh, here it is. It is a cleansing water all-in-one, and it says it's waterproof. A full size would be $8.97. So I would say that that's probably going to get off any makeup, including waterproof mascara, perhaps. So I'll try that out. Very nice. My next item I have in here is in this little box, and it looks like it's named Physicians Formula Butter Glow Liquid Highlighter. Oh, okay. Well, great. I mean, to me, so far, I'm getting my money's worth, I think. I don't really know. These are all samples, but the whole point is to try it out and see if it's something that you would like. And, of course, this is going to be sealed, too, and I'm going to leave it sealed just in case I was to put it in a giveaway. But it is a highlighter that you would probably highlight your cheeks. It gives you a radiance boosting glow. So that sounds really good. Okay, I'm liking this so far. Now here is the Bright Pen, and this was what I was wanting, so I'm glad to see that they still had some left. I don't think I ended up with any mystery gift. This is the Luminex Bright 2-Pen Dual Action Stain Repellent and Whitening. And we all can use a little whitening. I drink a lot of coffee, so I look forward to trying this out. It says it whitens without sensitivity, and that is a very interesting thing. It's a dual action stain repellent and teeth whitening. I look forward to using that, and that was my little Walmart beauty box. So what do you think? Do you have a favorite out of these? You already know my favorite's going to be this whitening Bright Pen. I was really looking forward to that. And then Aveeno is always a great product, and I look forward to having that because I already know that works great. And the other products, I look forward to trying them out. So you let me know, did you have a favorite? Do you get the Walmart beauty box? Would that be worth $6.98 plus tax? They ship it to you free. Would that be worth it to you? I think it's a good value. And why I haven't subscribed before, I don't know. But I have now, and I'm going to see if I like it, and I'll have it on my channel here and there like everyone else does. And we'll see what they have for the spring box. But that's all I have today, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new here, I would like to ask you to consider subscribing if you like my content, and ring that notification bell so you'll know my next video when it comes out. I do several different things here on my channel with beauty hauls, unboxings, and more. And I would like to remind you to check out all my friends that I mentioned today. We have a wonderful community here. If you have not joined our YouTube community, you will find it to be very friendly. We have very friendly and generous channels within our community. There are usually several giveaways going on, off and on with the different channels, and we all love doing that. So be sure and check us all out. I thank you again for joining me today for the Walmart Beauty Box, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.